Okay, the motor is now switched off, so it's standing still. I'm feeding it from 3 of these super caps. So 3 gives me 31 volts, and I'm charging this one, which is on the moment on 8 volts, 8.83. So let's start the system up. Starting to run. So the input voltage varies a little bit, around about 32 volts, and the charging side is jumping up and down because it's fed from the output there. There's 3 diodes, and it is going to the negative of the battery here and to the positive on this side of the super cap, sorry, of the battery. Can be a battery also. So it is supposed to charge it now. You can see it just jumping around. So let's just see if we let it run for a while and see if our voltage has changed on this one that is charging. On the front side is the drive coil. That's the drive coil there, the copper wire. The green wire is just the pickup coil. I'm going to test that on a later stage. And the wheel has got 2 magnets in it, a small 25mm by 5mm. And then on the other side is my switching part. So that's just 2 little plates that's making contact with a little contact thingy like this. So when they pass, there's also 2 on the disc. So its timing is exactly when the magnets are in line with the coil. Here you can see the diodes, which is going back to the charging coil, charging super cap. Now just going to switch it off. Now this is on 8.83. As far as I can remember, it was 8.82. So it did charge a little bit, not much. And the input obviously went down a little bit. It was 31 point something, and now it's 30.7.